Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another really cool radio from Jeff. Jeff loans me these radios and gives me something to show you on my show, so I really appreciate that, Jeff. This one is very unusual. I've seen these on eBay, and I've always been tempted to get one or one like it. But here Jeff has one. No, it's not a Christmas animal. That's just a box, which is perfect size for this, that he found to put it in. So let's open it up here. This definitely stands out. And these were really popular in the day. I'm not sure what the chain is. Maybe hang that on your belt or something, I guess. I don't know. Be cool. But there it is. It's a AM radio, and down inside there, didn't get the glare away, there's the tuning dial, and then over here is the volume and tuning knobs. There's the chain, and it's made by Panasonic. Here is a headphone jack, and it runs on a 9-volt battery. It's called the Panasonic Panapet 7. I guess this is a chain to walk your pet with. Pretty cool. Let's see what it sounds like. Speakers in the back here. See, one of these, it says in embossed what it is. That's tuning and that's volume. Okay. Okay, here we go. Tune it in. Sounds not so good. I guess this, all right, hush, lady. I guess these were made for looks. Or possibly the speaker has deteriorated over the years, and that's why it's such a tinny sound. Let me let you listen to it a little longer.
I really do. So that was, and of course, obviously his favorite all-time interview is part of stuff that you can find in his book that comes out with him. He talked about the fact that there was a couple shows that he missed years ago, and Howard has a reputation of never. I don't want to put that out there. That was printed already in like one of the news. Hold on now. I mean, I'm not trying to put it.
It actually sounds a little overmodulated. Let's see, when we check my notes. The other thing is, Jeff gives me notes on each of these radios. This is, he paid $15 for this. He got it from a professional collector, and he says it was filthy when he got it. Now, Jeff is in the detailing business. He details boats and cars, so he knows how to clean up these radios and shine them up, make them look nice again. You can imagine what it was like when he got it. So he got it home, he cleaned it up and stuck a battery in it. It requires a 9-volt battery, and it works. It works fine. That's all he did. Reception, he says, is decent. Let me make sure it's turned off. Here it's off, and I'll show you how to get into it. There's a thumb screw right there. You see that? There's the thumb screw. So you just turn that, and there's only just this one screw. And then once you get that loose, then the two pieces separate. There you go. And there's what's inside. A lot of discrete components. Little antenna right here. AM only, or medium wave only. Batteries right here. Slides in this little holder. And that's about it. They made, Panasonic made a number of these in different form factors. I think, as I recall, Jeff said he's got a couple of different ones, different form factor. Matter of fact, he sent me some pictures of some other ones, which hopefully he will bring and let me see them and show them to you in the near future. Or it could even be in his batch. He gave me 1, 2, 3 boxes of radios this time. Said he was going to try to cut down on the number of trips, so he's bringing more radios at one time. Pretty amazing. And then you just put this back on. Get it lined up. Let's see, that's not lined up. There it is, that's lined up. There's the key right there to get that thing right there lined up. Okay, wait, I'll get over here so I can get my fat hands on it. There we go, I got it lined up. Get this little thumb screw lined up. Okay, I'm not going to put it all the way together because what I want to do, now that I've shown it to you, I want to take the battery back out. That's it. Pretty neat little thing. Let me show you see if you can see the tuning dial there. See it turn? Turns nice and smooth. Alrighty. Pretty cool. Thanks, Jeff, for bringing us this. And we'll have some more of Jeff's radios in the future shows. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.